We recognize we're a group that's never going to back down. I don't want that to get lost. I think that when you lose 4 matches in a row like this, Orlando City and San Jose were better than us. Cincinnati and Columbus, those are 2 good performances, and we just don't get the result.
It's not a place anybody in this league wants to be in, and we know that us as players have to be better. We have to find ways to score. We've got to put together consistency as a team, as a back line. I think we've done a really good job this week of building on that.
A lot of the focus throughout the entire week is trying to build off of a lot of the things that went well on the weekend. Make sure that we're ready for what's going to be a confrontational match. They're a team that make it really difficult to play. Going to have to be a ton of fight from us to try to put it back on them and make them deal with our front group. That's our goal this weekend, is not to make it easy on Red Bull.
We got to look forward. We're only 8 games into this, so as much as we can lose 4, we can win 4. And we've shown we can compete and have really good glimpses of moments in games. So we got to put it all together. This is a good challenge now on the road against a good team. If we can get this result, I think we can carry some weight to it the next weeks.
To New York City, just on the other side of the Hudson River in Harrison, New Jersey. There have been many great rivalries in the 30-year history of Major League Soccer, but only one can claim from the very beginning to have the tenacity and tradition of New York Red Bulls against DC United, where they look to snap a 4-game losing streak behind the reigning Golden Boot winner, Christian Benteke.
Hey, nothing comes easy to him today. We're taking to him every duel, guys. Every duel.
Together. Let's go. Let's go. DC on 3. 1, 2, 3. DC. Let's
go. DC United. They've dropped 4 straight. They started unbeaten in their first 4. And now the most recent edition, the 91st of the Atlantic Cup, when it was formally announced in 2002. Whether you watched this game in 1996 or started just 6 months ago, it's a classic. The Atlantic Cup, the Red Bulls and DC.
Every weekend is a chance for us to bounce back. And tonight it's another one. Make sure we work out together. No matter what happens, we stick together. Hey, we play. If we can play, we play. If we need to play long, we play long. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. DC on 3. 1, 2, 3. DC. Let's go.
The league's oldest matchup.
Get runners in and around him.
Schnegg, the Austrian. Stroud. It's Jared. Still looking for a goal contribution with a deflection coming back to Herrera.
Oh, Benteke's thrown down.
It's never ideal when he's over 60% of your offensive output.
No Benteke to deal with this cross.
Still down a body. Choupo-Moting flares it in the direction of Barraza. Herrera for Benteke. The save by Coronel.
Sadly, that's going to be his last attacking moment. He's motion to the bench, and that's it. Not the start you want for DC United. But we've seen DC United without Benteke sometimes, and they surprise you when you think that they're down and out without their main guy. Oh, he could be a hero now.
This is Stroud. Stroud! Post! Follow Herrera. Cornell keeps it out.
But Jared Stroud has had some big moments already, as we just talked about. Stroud's touches his ball, keeping it moving. Oh my goodness.
Peglow! Hits Painter for United! And on the break, DC is in front.
That is a great bit of skill from João Pedro. I think he meant it.
Schnegg. For Herrera. Peglo!
Oh!
Another stunner from the Brazilian. 2-0. Peglo has Bartlett. Schnegg. Header slicing past the near stick. Panamanian Valencia. Floating header. Choupo-Moting settles! Slams it in! Wow. And he scores again at Sports Illustrated Stadium. Choupo-Moting with the Red Bulls back in at 2-1.
Break them down.
Forsberg lets it roll. Carmona, wiper bladed by Barraza. Harper the follow. Stands the test of what would be the game-winning goal. Got all the way through, Barraza! Stabilizes in a thicket of chaos. Barraza with full time from Sergei Boyko. Nothing can reinvigorate a rivalry quite like a road victory. DC has it. They have their first win in 5 after a 4-game losing streak. They have their first win at Sports Illustrated Stadium in 5 years. 2-1 over the Red Bulls. João Pedro, the star.
4 losses in a row coming into the rivals on the road. The message has been consistent and a bit of resilience from Pedro. Brilliant stuff from him to really be the difference in this game.
Thank you.